I like it.
It's okay. I like it.
It's fine. No, there's no distinct way to play it yet.
Bastion?
Oh, hey. See,
I
actually
don't choose
started yet?
characters.
It's distinctly not Bastion though. That's all I know.
You can't like Orisa Roadhog here?
Oh, maybe on the payload.
Maybe.
Pull them off high ground and then I hook.
No, I think there's too much flanking.
Yeah, it is the map is just crazy for flanks. That's why Winston, Diva, Genji is so good.
This is a good time to practice div.
If you're not a good tracer, Shaiko,
Okay.
if you're better at like Hanzo or Pharah, it's totally okay. Because Hanzo can fucking climb.
The new Hanzo is going to be interesting.
I cannot wait until the new Hanzo.
It's going to be cool.
That new arrow ability is gonna be so much more powerful than Scatter.
You know, it's not gonna be more powerful. It's gonna take more skill. The reward's gonna be higher though.
But if you have more skill, it's gonna be way more powerful.
You could wipe a whole team with it.
Have they actually announced what it is yet?
They're practicing an ability, or they're testing out an ability that gives him 5 arrows that he can basically consecutively shoot.
They upgraded
Oh,
it
really?
to 6.
Oh, 6? It was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like you
They
can
made
just
them
shoot
all do less damage, so it's the same damage, but they have
Oh,
6.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, and then also the leap. So now he has like a double jump, except instead of going up, it goes forward a ton.
Or back. Yeah, whichever way you're
What?
facing.
Yeah, so now you have like tons of mobility. Apparently it's on a couple second cooldown too. The leaping.
Yeah.
What the? Oh
So
my
now he's,
god!
like,
If they
highly
somehow
mobile.
made, if they somehow made Hanzo more broken, I'm gonna
So if we
fucking
wanted,
report
to
Blizzard.
bypass the entire thing, we can go underneath or to the right side.
Just show me. I don't know this map. It looks
left,
beautiful
go left.
though.
Go right.
Ooh, it's like
Wait.
what I want to be when I
Are we
grow
going
up.
left or are we going right?
Oh yeah, I thought you were saying we're going.
Alright, well,
And then you go to the right here.
We can just jump right. Just,
Oh, I'm trapped.
yeah.
I don't know what's happening. Wait.
It was an unfortunate trap. We gotta kill Winston.
Yep.
Winston lit, Winston lit.
Winston.
I'm lit. The Moira behind me. Moira back line.
It's just an unfortunate trap at the beginning. I'll just reset.
Yeah. I meant to go bottom left. Bottom left is an entrance to go all the way around, basically.
All right.
Yeah,
let's go
yeah.
that way.
Let's go through the bottom left. The thing that says the Vikings thing.
I killed Winston.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Where the fuck are the
Shaiko, where you at? Come up, come back this way, to the left.
They don't have long
Down here.
range. I'm fine.
Hi, Shaiko.
What? Where are you guys?
We're going
Down here.
bottom left,
It's over
bottom
here,
left.
to the left.
Oh, you want
This
Oh,
direction.
I see. This is hey, Julie, are you enjoying this? Okay.
Sorry, I'm muted.
Alright.
All right.
All right.
Let's go.
Just feeding you guys. Let's go.
Dive Junkrat. He's alone.
On the Junkrat.
Where is he?
Winston sleeping. Tracer and
Down.
Moira both
Lucas
on
down.
me.
On the Mora. Oh, okay.
Nice.
Get the Winston.
Winston out of position. Winston out of position. 1. Good.
Get the
Diva
diva,
back,
diva,
diva
diva,
back,
diva.
Give him back. Okay, this is interesting. Point. Wait, it's not a circular point. It's like a weird circular
It's a square.
square.
The fuck, dude.
It's not-
like,
no,
it's circular square. All right.
It's circular edges. This is some BS. Dive Junkrat.
Damn Junkrat.
I don't know what
And
the map
Tracer's
is.
behind half.
Back up. I don't know
revive.
if we're gonna find a kill here.
Did you see her use every single cooldown?
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
He's
I didn't even
inside.
notice.
He's
I didn't even
inside.
notice the Winston behind me.
He's like 1.
Winston down.
Nice. What the hell is this payload?
Con.
What is this?
Dude, they're frightened.
We get one
On
pick.
the-
Jump.
Junk. Junk 1 bar. Junk dead.
Jeez. Drummer solo kill.
Moira. No shift.
Let's try Kadai. Or this Winston. That would be the character. Oh fuck.
Nice bubble.
I'm on the Winston. Winston.
Moira. Winston.
Low.
On the Mora.
Nice hit.
Heals
Tracer
on
behind,
point.
Tracer
Heals on point.
You see where Tracer is back there?
Yeah.
Come to this door. Maybe? Oh, she did.
Holy crap! This is actually like a long distance. It doesn't even include the next part.
They're up on the
And-
right.
Watch
Tire.
out. Tire?
Oh,
Yeah,
come
that's
on!
Winston's on me behind.
Heals.
Yeah.
Thanks.
He's still behind. Tracer
Who are we getting?
and
Zed,
Winston are
Zed,
both
Zed.
behind me.
Healers are
Tracer
down.
and yeah.
Send one, send one, send one.
more
I
peel.
got him, I got him.
Snipe.
No, Moore's one. Moore's one on cart.
Just regroup.
Nah.
I'm waiting for everyone.
This is just different.
Yeah, it's a new map.
Yes, that is.
That's
I've
a really
concluded
long
this.
payload.
It is. It's like too long.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're good. All right.
Yeah, we're all
Find the
here now.
dive and call it out.
Yep. I'm gonna dive, Junkrat. Ready? 3, 2,
Yep.
1. Diving.
He's dead.
Oh, he's dead. Diva, 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 Diva,
I'm
Diva.
on R2. I'm on R2. Little diva, little diva. Let's finish it. Let's finish it.
Any heals?
No, no, no. Walk point. Walk point.
On the
Walk
Winston, on
point.
the Winston, on the Winston.
Winston on me.
Trent.
Yeah, come to me, baby.
Dude, it's like a monster attacking an amusement park. It's weird.
I'm on the Winston still.
Got you?
No leap on
He
Winston.
should be pretty free. He should be pretty free.
Zen's one back there.
Down. Moira.
One.
I'm on the Mora, Mora, Mora.
Behind me.
Tracer, no rewall.
There's a Junkrat above us, behind. On the Junkrat.
Diva left side. Diva ulting.
On
Diva
the Zenyatta.
ulting.
Oh wow, it hit me.
Nice. Diva anti.
Junk is half. Front.
I got two
Little
people behind
diva.
me.
Damn,
Little
we,
diva.
we're down. We're down.
Wait, we already
We
got
got
it.
the
Okay.
cart.
We got it.
Nice. There we go. That's all that matters. We got close spawns.
That payload is actually so high up that if you duck under it, the diva won't be blocked by it.
Some cheeky business.
Zenyatta dead.
I suicided, but it's close spawn, right?
Yeah, very close
Yeah,
spawn.
it's right next to it.
Ow! Oh jeez.
Hey, Tracer's behind on the back left.
I see.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. I'm speeding after her. We might be able to get her recall out.
There it is.
There she is.
Psycho, right next to you.
Yep.
Fucking tire!
That like jump scared me.
So you guys just got baited.
Yeah, we're dead.
Me, on the other hand.
Yeah.
Just get out. You can get a pick. That's great.
They're too far up here.
Let's not fight inside that corridor against the Junkrat.
No,
Let's
Junkrat.
go back to the open.
That's probably the
That's
right
a
call,
great idea.
Cyclops. way to use the brain there.
I'm amp healing.
Couple anti.
Hey,
Couple anti.
that's it.
Zenyatta.
He needs to die. He
On
needs
the
to die.
Zed.
This. Oh,
I killed
Tracer on me.
Winston.
Tracer on me.
Oh, no,
Guys,
never mind.
behind.
He ulted the jump back. There was
Oh
no
my
saving.
God, dude.
These bots are so good, dude.
Actually, yeah.
who is Grumpy? Is that a new player too? Grumpy Bun Bun?
Let's switch to something slower.
Yeah, can we have Zarya? My console.
Yeah, at this point, we no longer want dive. It's not
Alright,
gonna.
I'm gonna use my ult and pray that kills somebody.
Hopefully it's one of their ults. Ah,
Oh.
no sniped.
I got.
Tracer behind.
Behind us.
I am suicide.
Tracer
See if we
left.
can.
Winston. Winston and Tracer, my dudes.
Yeah, we need to catch out these Winston.
I didn't want
like
to
dives.
bounce like that. That was just unlucky.
This Tracer and this Winston are just diving together.
Also, Reaper's good at this section.
Yeah.
So, if you want to do that.
Tracer behind.
Scatter.
Hit a bomb
Scatter.
up on the wall.
Like, give me like a Reaper.
Maybe for all from spawn and switch.
This Tracer's just coming from the left side and killing us.
I'll get her. I'll get her. Push up everybody together. Come in, and then I'll take care of her on the left.
Oh no.
Oh.
And then she goes
On the
back to
Winston?
me to kill you
Winston's
guys.
on us again.
There's
Tracer on me.
transfer.
I'm dead. Holy shit.
Touch.
What we needed to do is counter their dive with our dive.
Yeah.
sitting back and just letting them jump on us is not doing anything. When they
Yeah,
have a Junkrat pummeling us
we
with
need
the
to-
with the shield, we need to jump on them.
We just need to counter the Winston dive and that's it.
It doesn't help that my ping is like 17,000.
Who's hot miking that in the background, by the way?
That's me. I'm at a land center, dude.
Ah,
Yeah, you
Like,
couldn't.
I've never made out.
swap sides.
I think they're gonna be running dive again.
How do I swap sides?
You gotta back to the main menu and then they swap the teams.
Okay. Ugh, dude.
Yeah, and then you can just like swap sides somehow.
How do I swap sides?
And then swap sides somehow. That was your description.
Dude, yeah, I just know it's a thing.
You might just have to individually like move every player to the different team. I don't know.
Yeah. Fuck, dude. Okay, whatever. I thought it automatically did it, like last time.
What if it starts and we're on attack again and it turns out it's just random?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
And now we're UNR.
Okay. Hopefully, does it. My bad.
Thank God.
Yep.
Works? Works just fine?
Yep.
Yep.
You want to do
correct.
Moira Zen here?
Yeah. I'm just afraid of that dive though. Let's put him on zone.
Then we should have like a Reaper or like a McCree for the back line.
Yeah, Shaiko be
Let's go
be
Junkrat.
Reaper. Or Junk, whatever
Yeah, I was
one you
thinking
think would be
about
better.
We are video game players. We're gonna win this.
Actually,
We don't have a whole lot of on-point damage though if we do that, right?
there's no ability on this map, so I'm gonna be junk.
Yeah.
It's a good anti-dive.
Yeah, I'll just boop Winston away. That's what I've been doing.
Yeah. Whenever I see him jumping, I'm just gonna immediately discord him first because fuck that guy.
I'll try and pull him back.
Where do we want to try to set up at?
No. What is
I mean, you can start up here where Shaiko is by the ride, but it's kind of sketchy because it's
Yeah, they have a
pretty
good-
close. So as soon as
Wait,
they
can
start
you get
coming
on
through,
this? Oh
I
yeah.
think we should play here.
That's the real position.
If we need to, we can back up into one of these, and then we have Junkrat spam.
yeah, that's true.
I'm sure you can.
Defending on point here would be difficult.
They can come this way as well, by the
Just
way,
go
guys. They can
downstairs.
flank.
Yeah.
They can flank left side.
We'll see
Yeah.
them coming that way though.
Yeah, if they do go that way, they're pushing into a Junkrat.
I'm really happy I stayed on this the whole time.
It came back around.
Discord on Diva.
Where are they going? Oh, they're going
Where
right.
they go?
I heard Tracer on the right.
Nice.
Winston.
Winston.
Tracer on point.
Turn on
Oh
point.
I'm back to
Point, guys.
Do you even know mech? Wow.
It's two people.
They're on point. I just realized.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Grant,
It's-
Jesus.
Whew.
That was a dirty shot though. Nice shot.
Thanks. We can't lose
Yes.
this shit.
Objective lost. Stop the payload.
Group by pylon.
Wait, isn't that really far away? Can't we like push up?
No.
Well, where?
The gate's right there.
Yeah, we come over kind of towards Nexus Experience on
Right
this side.
side, right
I'm
side.
gonna orb right side. Orbing.
Winston, on me, Winston.
I'm healing.
Nice, thank you. D.Va.
Tracer's low.
Shit.
Tracer's
Zenyatta on point.
The heals.
We're at
Push up.
discorded.
I'm going on with Duck Hunt.
nice.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you see this high ground? I'm holding up here by Nexus.
If we hold this door, could they push left too? Is that why we're not
I like
holding
this
there?
position too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, they can.
So
They can also just jump right over it with Winston and D.Va.
there's
So,
literally
like, where do you
nowhere to
want me to
hold
go?
here. I mean,
Yeah.
They have
Is
no
it-
one to get us on this gun.
Can they come top right?
Winston?
Top right, top right.
Winston's half.
Grand.
I'm gonna orb.
Fuck. We got knocked off. Gonna die, I think.
Tracer on
Yeah.
me in the back.
Where's that?
not near us. Fair, guys. Fair spot. We have time to regroup. It's a long walk. Good kill.
Winston's discorded. I got your drummers.
God, I wish I wasn't lagging. I'd be getting all these kills. Yeah, we're okay. I have ult. What are
Also-
bongos at?
I have it.
Jet,
Okay.
jump. Nice.
Hey,
Tracer
he's
on
one.
point. Tracer on point.
Alright, good hold, good hold.
2 tanks.
Make sure we stay on point.
Winston.
D.Va's
D.Va,
low.
I'm on D.Va.
Oh, she got me. It's okay, we have super close spawns here.
Yeah, and they have a really.
Should we take
far
high ground?
spawn.
No.
Oh. Okay.
I think we just want to hold by cart.
I think holding right here would be like the best.
Agreed.
Yeah, it's really true. I'll come up.
I'll try.
Going on you, D. Be careful.
Split up. Right. It's half, thank you.
Nice. Good job.
Winston's half jumping in. He's half,
Winston?
a little bit over half, but
I'm gonna die.
Where are
They
you?
got me. I was right next to
D.Va
you.
like half.
Tracer's half on point. Anybody here?
And I'm trying to be.
Drummer's behind.
That's okay.
Oh.
Just fight by point.
Zen's
We have
low.
super close spawns. Just fight by point.
I can't. It's contested.
More stay up.
Oh, my bad.
Contesting
I had no idea
it.
was there.
Did they cap it?
Yeah.
Or did I contest it? Fuck. See, this is why
There's
I
a
want to
Winston
hold
back
by.
here.
Feels bad.
Oh my gosh, they're dispersing us, dudes. Well, you gotta kill this Tracer.
We're not really using our ults too well either. Like, it's not just the Tracer. Just owning us.
Well, we just keep getting picked.
Just other heroes in the game.
Okay.
There's.
Bongo and me next fight.
Yep.
Let me know when you're ready.
Doing it.
Yeah, Winston,
Winston
is
right
discorded.
side. Tracer
You're
behind
out?
us.
Winston's on. Nice.
Orbing?
I'm gonna go Lucio. Can't survive the dives.
I could do this. Nope. Oh fuck. Keep backing up. We're fine.
I
We're fine.
can't heal through that.
Orbing.
Tracer.
Hooking Tracer. Got her.
Nice.
Monkey ulting.
Monkey.
Trying to
Orbing.
heal Verb.
Do we have ults?
I can't ult with the soldier ult going.
They're low though. They're
He's down.
both low. Point.
I'm orbing, Cart.
Nice.
No ult.
Tracer going far left side. He's already behind us.
I got it. I'll watch it. Just play point.
Alright, everyone got a point.
Okay, they're high ground to the upper right of the cart.
Tracer's still
Just
behind.
play point, guys. Play point. Supports. I got it. I got it.
Thing.
Alright. Now he's gonna try to abuse. Alright. Tracer's moving towards us. We're okay.
Winston,
Orbing.
he's dead.
Pushing him
One.
back too. Yeah, there we go.
D.Va
I
Max
have
one.
drones.
D.Va Max
Tracer
one. if you
behind.
see it.
Tracer behind. Tracer on me.
I'm coming to help.
Deal's behind.
Orbing cart.
I can't.
Okay. Okay. Diva's
Is that
way
on cart?
behind us.
We need to use ults. 5 ults.
Yeah, it's
Held up
too late
long.
though. It's waste.
We're okay. Let's regroup it.
It's an open toss.
Their McCree's half.
Got to.
Well, my God, I didn't touch it. I'm sorry. I thought that would be classified as close enough, but
I'll be right back.
hey, yo, is there a veto section for this tournament tomorrow? Because if that map pops up, I'm reporting them in real life. Like,
I'm pretty sure
like
there's bans, because why would that map be specified? So I can ask if there's map bans or overdraft. Player
God, man, that map is like annoying.
Let me know when you're here.
Well, if he's not.
What map do you guys?
Can start whenever I'm by my computer.
Okay.